Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Screaming Frog SEO Spider with Google Sheets step by step clearly. Open your Screaming Frog SEO Spider application. Navigate to the Configuration tab on the top menu. Select API Access from the drop-down menu. Click on Google Sheets to initiate the connection setup. In the Google Sheets window, click on Authorize. A browser window will appear asking for your Google account details. Enter your Google account credentials and log in. You will see a permissions screen displaying the access Screaming Frog requires. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. Return to the Screaming Frog application. You will now see a confirmation message indicating the successful authorization. To test the connection, click on Configuration again and select API Access. Then click on Google Sheets and choose Fetch Data. Screaming Frog will retrieve data from your Google Sheets. If successful, your data will populate in the main window. You can now utilize the Screaming Frog SEO Spider to analyze data directly from Google Sheets. To make changes or reauthorize, repeat the authorization process as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.